I'm Krishna Firdaus from class 8. Today I'm going to show you some science magic tricks. So let's start. At the first trick, I am going to show you the trick of color change. So then I will take some turmeric powder. This is turmeric powder as you can see, and I will pour it in the beaker like this, and then I will mix it. And this is a spoon, so I will mix it with the help of spoon. As you can see that it has attained a yellow color due to the turmeric powder. Now I will use some detergent powder in it, and you will see the magic here. As you can see that the initial yellow color has changed to red color. And then I will use some lemon. This is a lemon juice as I have prepared it in the beaker, and now I will pour it in it. As you can see that it has attained its yellow color as it was in the first. Now I will add some vinegar here. This is a vinegar, and I will add it in the beaker. As you can see that there is no color change. So in this experiment we have concluded that turmeric powder when mixed with water is a natural indicator of acid and base. So when I added the detergent powder that has sodium hydroxide, which is a base, so it attained a red color. Then I added some lemon juice, that is an acid, that is citric acid, and it changed the color into yellow at its initial color. And then I have also added some vinegar here, that is also acid, but it has not changed its color. So we can conclude that turmeric powder only changes its color when it comes in contact with some base. When it comes in contact with some base, it changes its color to red. So this was my first trick, and I will move on to the next trick here. There are two major beakers, and at first I will take the barium chloride in this beaker. And as you can see, I have taken here barium chloride in this beaker, and I will move to the next beaker and take ammonium chloride here. So as you can see, I have taken here ammonium chloride and here ammonium sulfate and here barium chloride. So now I will add some water here. This is distilled water or pure water. So I will take it in this beaker. And now I will mix it with the help of spoon. You can see that the solution is a transparent solution, and then I will add distilled water in this beaker which contains barium chloride, and I will use a glass rod here to mix it. And now you can see that it is a translucent solution. Now when I will add this ammonium chloride into this ammonium sulfate into this barium chloride, you can see the magic here. That a milky white solution has appeared in it. So now I am going to explain this trick. This ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate and barium chloride when mixed together has a double displacement reaction, and ammonium chloride and barium sulfate forms with a colloidal solution, as you can see here. So this was the trick, and I will move to the next trick here with a comb and some papers. With this, so it has attained the charge, and when I attract some paper, as you can see. So this was an this was the magic of electrostatic force. When I comb my hair with the help of this, it attains a charge while these papers are uncharged. So when I take it near to the papers, it attracts the papers. Hope you liked it. Thank you.